Definitely want to take a shot at that. Okay, should be exiting on that green dot there. We've got the trade to trade, trying to give it a few more ticks there. It just broke through the green down below, and we'll close it out right there. That'll get my 4K. Oh, man. This live stream thing, a little bit difficult for me here. Let's get to it. Welcome aboard. If this is your first time with us, you have been missing out, but it is great to see you guys. Morning session. And let's see if we can get some of these buttons to roll. Let's go. Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrow.
All right, before we begin, don't forget, trading is risky and all that jazz, but if trading is for you, this might be the place for you. Don't forget to hit that like button real fast, because that is going to make you lucky. Let's go. All right, so I just hit my 5th trade. Been a great morning session. The speed is good. How do we know the speed is good? Let's talk about it. So the trade I just took, if you guys watched that a minute ago, if you are just now joining us, you missed this one right here. That was a quick, easy little dropout shot. Started with we got multiple things here. We had a shark back with a Flowmaster event inside. So we had the PRZ cross shark back combo. Plus, we've got headshot over here on the left. We're definitely going to take a stab at that. Headshot plus turns into a double dot plus Enigma. Come on. Of course, we're going to take that. Get that dropout into the 1476. Again, our system draws out all of the important levels there for you, which are around flow. All about the flow. Order flow, that is. What's up, everybody? Give me a shout out in the chat. Let me know where you are coming from. I'm in Texas. What about you? Okay, so while you guys are telling me where you're from, we're going to be showcasing our system, why it's different, how it's different, how it's used. We approach the markets like it's a video game. Yes, that's right. Nothing super fancy about it. I'm just joking. It's pretty fancy. But my philosophy is that trading the markets today is more like a video game than it is anything else. Let's have that debate today. I'm actually curious. Do you guys agree with me on that? Do you think that the markets are like trading a video game today? I'll tell you why I kind of think that. Oh man, just missed an easy play. That would be a good one to have arm long, arm shorts right there. And it's handing out candy. Melbourne, all the way from Australia. We got 2 from Australia. Honduras. Morocco. Boston. We got sunny Florida in there. I see Iowa. California. Oh, you crazy hippies, man. I hope you don't step on any needles today, bro. What's up with California, man? Y'all are Oh, they're dying over there, bro. Saudi Arabia? Holy shnikes. Slovenia. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Argentina. Hey, I hear Argentina has penguins as pets. Is that true? Or is that something somebody just lied to me and told me about? Wisconsin, Oregon, Cambodia. Now that might, is that the other side of the world? I think that might be directly the opposite side of the world of Texas. What time is it your time in Cambodia right now? Is it 10 p.m.? Because it's 10:40 here. So is it 10:40 p.m. there? Yeah, so made some... Oh, I don't know if the audio is loud enough. Hold on a second. Oh, it was down there at 24. That's why. I'm like, why is that sound not normal? Okay. I'm a terrible streamer. 9:40. All right, George might be literally on the opposite side of the world. All right, you guys can hear the music all right? That's good. That's good. Okay, so I'm in bonus territory time now, so want to take a great trade here. Just had another beautiful one right there. I don't know if anybody caught that. That's a 73, and I have said right there between 50 and 70, man, those are the absolute bomb.com when it comes to speeds. That is great speed right there, and on the 3 range. 12:40 a.m. where you're at, Carbone. Oh, double delta alert catching bags tonight. Let's talk about that. So I need to do a quick video update tonight on some feature enhancements. One of them we left out. Anybody know about the feature that we left out? We briefly talked about it last night in the Discord room. The double delta alert. Let's turn it on. It was a relatively simple change, so I guess I just slipped my mind, didn't put it on the list. But yes, go into your Delta Flagging Pro. And let's go. Double delta cell sound right here. Algo voice enabled. Right there. Or you can select your own sound. Let me make sure I've got it on this one as well. Yes. Double delta. Now, some people may not know what that is, depending on, you know, we've got new folks who come in and check us out, stuff like that. So let's see who knows what the double delta is. What is a double delta? If you know what a double delta is, type a 1. If you do not, and you're new, and maybe you haven't come across the double delta training yet, type a 2. And let's see who knows what that is. And we'll focus in on some of those and then show you how we use them. I'll give an example right now. So let's look over here to the left. And okay, here's one. Everybody see that this is a double delta? Hopefully that is zooming enough for you can tell what that is. Okay, that is the double delta. So what this says is, according to our training, says what? Do all caps here, because that's just how we roll. Ready up. All right, this is how I use it. I have it say, ready up, look to take the next play. Means we've got traders off sides. So let's look to see where's the next play. Now, there's a nice pivot here, but there's nothing to play. There's no entries. There's no dots. There's no entries, nothing. So we have to wait. Where's the next one? Right up here. Exactly where we took it. We've got the multi-harmonics, PRZ cross, shark back, all of that combo, and we get the dropout. We got part of that as we showed earlier with the combo. We also simultaneously, at the exact same time, we get the Enigma with the pinpoint entry location. I mean, you cannot get any better than that. Now I know ICT is watching because he's obsessed with me. To the tick, baby. To the tick. To the tick. See, if you want to know what to the tick actually looks like, bro. That's what to the tick looks like, bro. All right. See what other kind of plays we got. Oh, man. I hope somebody caught that one right there. What do we got? Pop quiz. What's that called? PRZ cross. What's this line called here? That's the open line. Open line, pre-drawn, already there for you. What's my recommendation for the alert? Only LTF or HTF as well? All of them, baby. All of them. The ready up should be everywhere. Everywhere. Man, if a double delta shows up, that's why I actually wanted the audio alert. It's like, yeah, we definitely need to add the audio alert for that because that is just so powerful and it's easy to miss because it's kind of out of sight. You know what I mean? It's kind of down there at the bottom of your charts. Maybe don't look down there so much. So we want that audio alert to tell us what's up. Well, that's a beauty. Hey, buddy. How are you doing, Mr. Roman? You're hiding in my office? I don't know if that's wise, sir. I don't know if that's wise. Haha. I see what you did there, Vincenzo. That's a great screenshot right there. All right, I'm turning on the auto entry here because we're getting some good speed. I'm going to add long and short, and we're going to go continuous on. Hey guys. Trying to read the book. We're being invaded by littles. Oh, I can tell one of my settings is off here. Regulator. Yep. Set this. If you've got your regulator, set this to 3000. 8000 is too high. It's 8 seconds to update. Do it about every 3 seconds for the auto channels, the channel regulator. I'm going to save my workspace there. Okay, so if the live stream doesn't get to 100 viewers in the next 5 minutes, I'll shut down. If you guys want to share it out, go let people know that we're out here. Fantastic. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes. Office. Oh, ICT forecasted that the market would go down unless it goes up. I mean, that is brilliant. It's brilliant. Gonna go up or down, down or up, up or down, man. Look at that. It's crazy. Ooh.
Ice.
Yeah. What do you think about that? Oh, somebody's got a stinky diaper. Oh, we just hit a target. High five. All right. Just caught a little enigma target there. Oh, I just noticed this was set to none. Oh, man. Hold up. This needs to be set to tiny. Oh. Oh. Daddy forgot to turn on the ATM. Tell everybody, say, don't do that. Say, don't do what my daddy just did right there. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Yeah, let's close that trade. Okay. Yes, make sure you actually have your ATM set. Have that set to none still. Now, people have asked, why do I have it set to none? So I've been using my half and double buttons lately. And there, I think there are huge advantages to being able to control those. I've also noticed, I still think NinjaTrader, like they need to work out some bugs in their trade delivery system, because they've just got too many. There's something sketchy going on with it. You know what I'm saying? Have y'all noticed that? Targets filled. I found it just works better without the targeting. Have y'all noticed that if the targets are there and you got multiple targets, that NinjaTrader seems to, on occasion, go... I don't know how to describe it, but it's not what it used to be. Have you guys noticed that? Or is it just me? All right, y'all smash those like buttons. We're at 73 viewers and 50 likes. If we can't get to 100 viewers in the next 5 minutes, we'll cut the stream short. Got to my 4K target in the morning session. We might do the afternoon session as well. Sometimes you think ICT might be using your son, your system for their son. Oh, I guarantee you, if his sons actually do what he says he's going to do, and they're going to go out there, oh, you bet your tail. You bet your tail. ICT's sons are either going to be broke like him, or they're going to use AlgoBox, one of the two. Yeah, the newest version of NT is horrible. Yeah, I would have to agree. Like, they've really gone downhill. And their development teams, I think they've just replaced their entire development team with like ICT Muppets. And I mean, their old developers used to care. Like, their new developers, they don't care. Like, I have shown them their bugs multiple times, numerous times. We have done everything we can to try to help them to solve their bugs, and they refuse to fix them. ICT didn't like me calling him the master of the humble brag. He brought it up in his last video. Yes, the humble brag. He's so gross. He's so disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. All right. This one's a little bit dangerous. There's a blue dot down there. Let's see if it's going to get to T1 there. Alexa, stop. All right, 2 targets filled again. 4,500 on a streak. Not too shabby. Speed is over 100 now, so I'm going to turn continuous off. Once we go to 100, now you start getting some... I get some weird activities. Between 50 and 70, yeah, I want to turn that sucker on. All right, so let's measure these drops here. All right, so that's a 35 ticker. That one up there was 97 ticks. Again, this was a slightly higher time frame, not by much, but the algo bars are larger. The 3 is not a 3 range. Some people are confused by that. That one's 40 ticks, so you can get 20 out of that. That one down to the butterfly is 51. Down to the low is 75. Okay, there's finally a loser right there. That one did not go 20 ticks. Well, actually, it's not a loser yet. We'll see. If it drops out and gets 20, great. But if not, we're probably going to be marking this one like this right there. You know, our cadence strategy, we want to mark the ones that don't work, and we want to get 3 of those in a row, and then we want to get big. Yeah, what happened to Triforce? He started getting, sadly, he started getting threats like the standard stuff. Anybody who goes after these scammers in the industry gets attacked. Right. So you either are prepared for that or you're not. I just don't think he wanted to deal with it. That would be my assessment. Okay, so use your F11 to mark this one. Did not work, so there's your first one. All right, we want to catch a cadence. No surprise, right? We had 3 winners in a row. Winner, winner, winner. Headshot. I'll take a shot at that. Get it. I'll take a shot at that. Get it. Target's filled. All right. What does that put us now? 46.89 on the day now. Vinny, did you ever work at a hedge fund or private equity? I did. Yes. Both. Oh, is that you, Melbourne? What's up, Melbourne Kiter? A creative space. Man, you guys come up with some creative names on your YouTube names, I tell you. Okay, so pop quiz. Who can tell me what was that play set up? What do we call that? Let's make sure everybody knows what we took right there. What was that? What is that called? So we have one of these. Plus one of these. And that combo is called a headshot. If you said headshot, give yourself a gold star. Everybody should be typing headshot. You have been studying the plays. So you've got a structural event plus a Flowmaster event, which is a nice little combo to grab a bag. All right, if we get to 100 viewers and 100 likes, I'll stream the afternoon session too. Is it your birthday, George? Happy birthday, my friend. Let's give a shout out to George. It's his birthday. Better give him a nice warm shout out. Happy birthday, George. All the way from Texas. All you fine folks out there in Cambodia. Find George around. All right, we were counting cadence here. Let's look at this one. That was a 46 tick drop right there. Okay, we're going to be watching this 14701 area. So Masher is not quite up to the top yet. We want to see Masher all the way up there before we're going to take a short. So we've got space up for the longs. Speed just picked up here. We've got audio box kicking. We're now between 50 and 70. So I want to go ahead and take the next play. So I'm going to arm that. Going to increase my quantity here. Speed is perfect. We are between 50 and 70. Right there at 69. So what I've done there is I have engaged the system to take the next one. Quantity 2. Again, you can just press the buttons there for plus or minus. That's going to be how many times the ATM fires off. Okay, so that is an alpha omega reversal right here. I'm going to possibly take a stab at this. Where are we touching? We are touching. Okay, I'll take a short right here off of the alpha omega. This is a double alpha omega. It just snapped in for me. There's target 1. Stop here behind the cross if it doesn't go. And I'll take a runner down to that 14.7 area if it goes. So we got target 1 already. Oh, did not get target 2 though. Came snapped out. We'll watch that level one more time here. So how did we take that play? This is a 12. This is a 10. So that was the smaller. And so we want to take a shot at it. The MACV had touched. Right? Can you guys see the MACV touch? You see the MACV touch, type a 1. If you don't see the MACV touch, type a 2. Okay, here comes double king timing. Double king timing right here. J-hook players just hit target 1, 2, and 3. There is target 3 on the J-hook. Okay, we just hit a 9.9 up on the nines here. So let's see what happens in this spot here. Okay, touch that secondary masher line. This is the area we want to look for plays. See if we get a double delta scenario. Shark back. Didn't have timing there with it. The timing was a medium, but that shark back play worked out very well. Pushing it down. That's good for... How many shark back players do we have in here? Oops. So to the open line, that was worth 36. To the low, that is 60 ticks. Bella dots. Pushing it down for the second touch. Missile, you like the shark back? That was a beauty right there. We got a little triple delta right here. Look at this. Where's my rectangle tool here? Let's grab a rectangle. We got the triple delta right there. That is quite rare. Normally we want to take a play after the double delta. I don't have stats on the triple delta. You have to keep an eye on that one. I don't know. Are you loving the double delta sound? Excellent. Yeah, I think I need to turn my NinjaTrader sounds on. So some people don't know this, so I'll go ahead and, while we're in a lull here, speed's bad. You can control all of the individual audio settings on your PC, whether you are on Windows 10 or 11. And this is the NinjaTrader one, and you can control it individually with that slider right there. So if you want to turn music up or other things down, or that up, that down,
harmonic NQ on
you can control it individually. Go into your volume mixer.
NQ on the 3.
Yeah, that triple did call that reversal quite nicely. I think more so though, if you weren't paying attention to that one, again, the biggest one is right over here. This is why I always say, like, keep that masher in your sight. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Again, literally, that was drawn ahead of time, folks. We just touched it, boom, pulled down. Now it did have a nice 9.9 that also helped on the Alpha Omega. But, I mean, all you got to do, just look right there. Biggest plays coming off of those masher lines. Great filter. Absolutely amazing filter for the big plays. Again, you can scalp around without them. Uh-oh.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
Target.
It's our licensing.
Short NQ on the 3.
Licensing app there. Okay, so we just hit target 1 on what just went in there. Oh, Alpha, I'm sorry, the Enigma. So I still had the Enigma turned on from before. So I'll draw a white line right here, F6. Or a potential reentry if this comes back down and doesn't get to target 2 there.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Yeah, so plus some, minus some, basically a scratch trade right there. Let's see. Floating around the open there. Yeah, that stop tightened up too much.
Fib.NQ on the 24. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 3.
Okay, I hear the AlgoBox sellers coming in right here, and we do have the Enigma right there. Okay, so I'm just going to press quit here. Oh, come on, computer.
Target filled.
Target's filled. Okay, so that strategy right there is the Enigma AlgoBox strategy. If you guys don't know about that one, go check out that video on the AlgoBox official channel. Just search for AlgoBox space Enigma.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Fairly simple. Gives you a target at the back of the Enigma right there. And targets filled.
Speed of NQ83.
Text. 12.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Enigma short on the N24.
Okay, we just got auto entered on
Speed of NQ.
an Enigma short. That is an 83. It's got some extra speed to it. Does feel trappish. We have not seen an Enigma fail in a while on this one. Last one that failed was... I can't even see one. So we're kind of due for one by now, but let's see if this one helps us out here. Crack that green dot. I'll add to position. Okay, it cracked it. I'll add to it. All right. First stop out in a while. Let's pull that one up. Mark that. Oh, we got a pink dot here. We'll try for the retry on a pink dot. Close on the break.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, cracked it. Nope. Okay, 2 losers in a row right there. On the retry, let's mark that up. Press F11. All right, F11. Fail 1 on this one.
Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3.
All right, let's move to